everybody. Today is Saturday, July the 18th. So you all know that it is summer vacation now, but we can't go out or play with friends or go in people's houses because it is COVID days. So now I'm planning to do some projects with science at home. Today I'm going to unbox the electric paint circuit kit. So I don't know what is inside here, but I am actually very excited to see what it is. So it seems like there's light we're going to paint and some buildings we're going to construct and also a circuit. So let's open it and see what's inside. We have 8 items including the box. So this is the cover. These are the instructions which helps you to complete the circuit. This is the circuit which has buttons. Now I'm going on to the circuit which I put the LEDs like positive to negative to negative. So let's put these LEDs for the drawings in the circuit, which is the same as the LEDs. So now we're going to put this LED right here. I'm going to use the electric paint to close all the roads on the circuit. So now we're going to take out the buildings to fold it like a building or a house. So let's get started. So now I have finished the painting, but it is not dried yet. While the painting is drying, I assemble these buildings and ran. So the circuit is dried and now we need to connect the battery. So we have to connect the positive to positive and negative to negative so that the LEDs light up. There you go. So these 4 are lighten up, but not this one. To lighten up this one, we have to on the switch so that it'll lighten up. You see? Now it's 5 LEDs lighten up. Thank you.